Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav on this 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. So from any screen, you can either click the star here, which highlights the menu, select navigation, and you can press the center here, or you can press the thumb wheel, and then it's on view map, or where to, onto where to, click the center. Points of interest, and as I say, by moving your finger across there, which, to be honest, it's all right when you stood still, but when you're driving and going along bumps, you're all over the place, so you're better using the thumb wheel then. So we need to go to address, and again you can either click the thumb wheel or click the center, and just move down to enter postcode. Click enter postcode. You'll see there you can it's got fingerprint recognition. Now I would have to do this with my left hand, but we'll just say no. We'll select that. P. I got it. R. Oh no. P's right. No, I deal me out on that one. Something else that didn't need inventing. That's stupid. I just don't know why you'd possibly want that. So we'll go back. The writing on that, no. Enter postcode. P. R. With Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Watnerdale, Preston. It's defaulted to numbers. PR5 4. With a bit of luck, that will go back to letters. J, and then S. In the center there, if we click in the center, that's a green tick, that's okay. It's asking what number you want, so we'll say 175 Chorley Road. And it's telling me there, if I click go or browse map or save, so I won't click go. That's it.
3/4 of a mile, turn left onto Victoria Road.
So unless you're left-handed and you can write with your left hand, I'd stick with the thumb wheel because that writing that's just did not need inventing. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes C-Class. You can get to it to telephone in a number of ways. There's here you've got Navi, radio, media and telephone there, so you can either click telephone there, or you can click star here, which brings up the menu, and then you navigate to telephone, select telephone, and we want this bottom menu there. If for any reason it's on the top, you just need to pull that back towards you, and you've got options in connect device. Now you're trying to delete a device, you wouldn't expect to have to press connect device, but connect device, and then it gives you a list of phones that's available. Down to my phone, there's a menu at the side here that's greyed out, so we knock the rotary thumb wheel across, and that brings up another menu, and you've got deauthorize, so click deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Yes. Click select again, and again, or you can do it using this. There we go. If we go to there and then across, so I've gone too far, go across with your finger, deauthorize yes. Do you want to deauthorize? Yes. That's a stupid idea as well. Deauthorize yes. Just may as well just get rid of them all while I'm here. The previous owners, deauthorize yes. So that's it. That's how you delete a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes C-Class. The first thing you do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then you're watching out at the bottom. Now over here you can either click telephone here like so, or click the menu, the star, and then navigate to telephone using the thumb wheel, select, and then you've got connect device at the bottom. If it's not on that, if it's not highlighted, you just need to click the thumb wheel back towards you, click onto connect device. Then at the top you've got search for phones, search via telephone, but we do search for phones there. And then you've got to click, even though you just told it you want to search for a phone, you've got to click start searching. Let's give you time to get ready or something. So it's found Barry's iPhone there. Navigate to Barry's iPhone, click on it, and then we'll wait to see what happens here. Bluetooth pairing request. Do you want to pair and does it match the passkey here 189048? Well, yes it does, so click pair there and then click yes on the Mercedes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. I may very well use this car, so I'm going to click allow, and there we go, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected, and it's all set for use. Okay, another great thing with this audio system in a 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class is if you go to your iTunes, look at the bottom there, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth is already connected. There's a tick next to it. I'm going to turn it down here. Then we go across to the unit, and you've either got, media there. Click on media, and you can see there that's the same tune that's playing on my phone is showing on here. If it's not for any reason, you see there, if you click forward to the media menu, there's an arrow next to the media menu. Click on media and then click when the arrow's showing. Then you've got information on media, disc, memory card, media interface, and Bluetooth audio. So just make sure Bluetooth audio is selected. Now I'm going to turn it up in the car, and then I'm going to use this to control it. I can't play it very long at all, otherwise I'll get copyright, but I'm going to turn that up more. The trouble with these clutch things is you can never judge it properly. You can't beat a proper volume control. So really great sound system in here. A good car all around, great level equipment. Thanks for watching.